Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Turn the car off and unlock your iPhone so settings load reliably. First, find the physical connection, USB or Lightning cable, or open Bluetooth if wireless. Once done, make sure you're in the iPhone Settings app. This prevents accidental reconnection. If your car uses a paired Bluetooth profile, go to Bluetooth and identify the car name. Don't skip identifying the correct device. Removing the wrong profile wastes time and can disconnect other accessories unexpectedly. Now remove CarPlay. Open Settings right arrow General right arrow CarPlay and tap the vehicle name you want to disconnect. Tap Forget this car and confirm. This deletes the CarPlay mapping and prevents automatic future connections. If CarPlay was wired, also unplug the USB cable, and if present, delete any saved USB profiles in the car's infotainment menu. For wireless CarPlay, switch off Bluetooth in Settings after forgetting the device to make sure the phone won't repair immediately. Finish by restarting both devices, reboot the iPhone and power cycle the car's infotainment system to clear cached pairings. Then check the car's own settings or phone book to remove any leftover saved phone profiles, which can trigger reconnection. If CarPlay still returns, reset network settings on the iPhone. This clears Bluetooth and USB pairings and often solves stubborn reconnection loops. As a last resort, consult the vehicle manual for a factory reset of the head unit, but back up contacts first to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.